Okay. Say something. Say thank you.
Hey Camille, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this amazing drill.
Let's open it.
So good. Have my Milwaukee knife opening this Milwaukee drill.
We need to know what's happening in there.
So
What's in there?
comes with, if you can see here, comes with a drill, 2 batteries, a charger, and a case.
Oh.
Wow. Alright.
Wow. What's in there?
Here we go. Unboxing. Wow.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Nice drill. Let's see. Doesn't work. M18 battery.
How many left?
Nice. Awesome. Thank you.
Wow. What is that for?
This?
No, that one.
This is a charger.
Oh. Nice.
Wireless,
No.
that stupid program, yeah?
No, it doesn't have that. I think they got rid of that.
Oh, it's stupid idea.
Wow.
Very strong.
Brushless.
Wow.
Brushless. That's so fast. Better than the wall.
Lost in the drill.
Wow.
Very nice, huh? Why they're still on?
That's it. It's gonna turn on.
Do you know how to use this?
Yeah. What do you mean?
Oh. Steve got one too.
It's not gonna work.
One of my coworker got 4. She won 4 of this different kind of tools. It's good. Thanks, Camille.